can't fuck tonight. Who can't fuck tonight? You can't fuck tonight. She 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 can't fuck tonight. Yeah. Start calling on phone. She can't fuck tonight. Blowing down that line. You the buster type. Knowing that you lying, we don't go for the hype. What you do? Catch her from behind, niggas know I'm a snipe. Second when I drive, baby, know what I like.